Hello, my dear students. Welcome to BYJU'S exam prep. Hope you guys are fine. So, guys, be quick, and join the session fast. Be really quick, guys. Let's be quick, guys. We have today. I'm very sorry. Initially, only I'll tell you that I planned it for 2.5 hour session, but actually there will be a clash of formula memory of highway with aptitude. So I'll complete it maximum by 11:15. But trust me, guys, if you attend today's session, you'll just love it. Don't get disheartened because I haven't kept easy questions today. Otherwise, easy questions you will solve and you will say, quantitative aptitude is so easy. But guys, if you check out the past papers, some tricky questions have been asked, and I'm here to deal with those tricky questions because, of course, easy questions you can solve it. Okay, so quickly, fatafat, share the session with maximum of your friends. Don't know about me, can go through my profile and guys download the BYJU'S exam prep app in which I'm taking classes regularly, and this is the schedule. Tomorrow you'll be having calculus by Dheeraj sir, after that analytical aptitude and so on. Apart from that, guys, we have a scholarship test on the coming 21st of January. 21st of January to khatam ho gaya वैसे. चलिए 24th of January you have a workshop at 7:30 p.m. If you're targeting for GATE 2025, how can you secure a single digit rank? Apart from that, we are having All India Open Mega Mock Test going from 27th of January to 2nd of February, and we have launched full syllabus course for 25 and 26 both in English and Hindi language, so language will not be a barrier for you. So kindly enroll if you planning to start your preparation with us. Okay, and last you can join my Telegram group, and okay, mechanical people are also there. Most welcome. Fatafat, Ronaldo, Ginu, Sagata, everybody, good morning. And kindly share the session fast with maximum of your friends, guys. ये तो गलत बात है, शेयर करना तो बनता है, राइट? चलिए, वीडियो स्टक बिल्कुल भी नहीं, वाईफाई बहुत चंगा चल रहा है, देयर इज नो वीडियो स्टक. ओके, कम ऑन गाइस, ready? Just tell me yes ma'am, we are ready. Come on, then I'll start the session. We have to set the timer clock because we have timeless and we have super quality of questions. Come on guys, be quick. Are you ready? Good morning everybody. Good morning. Now let's start. Come on guys. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Chalo, फटाफट से, come on, guys. Without any delay. Quick. Okay, ready. चलो, अब शुरू करते हैं. Without any delay, शुरू करते हैं. चलिए. Okay, and you have to be with me till the end. अगर क्वेश्चन नहीं बनता, if you're not able to solve it, don't get it disheartened. फिर मतलब ही क्या हुआ सेशन का? अगर सब आपको बन गया तो कुछ नहीं बनेगा, then only you'll be able to understand ना. Okay, so this is the first question for you guys. Come on. Question easy lag raha hai, but it is not easy. Come on, guys. Duration, we have to complete it in 1 hour 15 minutes because highway session will be starting. So I'm sorry for today only this clash has been there. From tomorrow you will not get this clashing. So I'm really sorry for that. Okay, Ronaldo ji, this question is for you and everybody else also. Saugata, Abhi, Antar, Lucky, so many people are there. Shamshad, Jyotsna, Pratik, everybody. Shrikant Tiwari can buy guns at the rate of ₹20 per gun. The particular gun is a part of overall collection and the value is linked to the number of weapons that are already on the market. ठीक है? Shrikant sell the first gun for ₹2, second gun for ₹4, third for ₹6, and so on. If he wants to make an overall profit of at least, means come se come, minimum 40%, what is the number of guns he should sell? Come on. What is the number of guns he should sell? Come on, guys. Now see, he in this question it is asking kitne number of guns, and it is asking you how can you calculate? Okay, I need to calculate the guns, so let the number of guns be n. So 20 rupees per gun. So the cost price of n guns will be how much? Total cost price will be ₹20n, because one gun costs ₹20. N guns will cost rupees how much? N guns will cost ₹20n. Now, if you talk about selling price, total selling price. Now guys, check it out. First for ₹2, then for ₹4, then for ₹6, then for ₹8, and so on. Okay, nth terms. Clear? Now, it is telling कि selling price ऐसा रखो Keep the selling price such a manner that overall profit should be at least 40%. How will you solve it? अच्छा, श्रीकांत तिवारी from family man. Okay. ठीक है, मतलब selling price इतना रखो, selling price कि जो भी आपका cost price था, profit किसमें कैलकुलेट करते हैं? You calculate profit on cost price 40%. So that means 1.4 into 20n. अब यहां से just take 2 common. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 n terms is greater than 1.4 into 20n. अब आपको पता है summation of n natural numbers क्या होता है? n plus 1 by 2. यहां से 2 cancel out हुआ. 1.4 28n. Now you can solve it, guys. n plus 1 is greater than 28n. अब तो सॉल्व कर लो भाई साहब. अब भी सॉल्व मुझसे करा रहे हो, तुम लोग को शर्म भी नहीं आ रही है. माइनस 28n n square. So from here n will become how much? कम से कम minimum he should sell 27 guns. Minimum he should sell 27 guns. Okay, I'll repeat slowly. Fine. यार इसको पहले सेंचुरी करो. ये 99 पे आउट होना मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. पहले तो इसको सेंचुरी करो सबसे पहले. और दूसरी बात, चलिए श्रीकांत तिवारी गन खरीद रहे हैं, वही फैमिली मैन वाले, 20 रुपीज पर गन. आई अज्यूम दैट द नंबर ऑफ गन्स बी n. So total cost price will become how much? 20n. Now he is selling first gun for 2 rupees, next for 4 rupees, then for 6 rupees, then for 8 rupees, and so on, n terms tak. It has told that at least the profit should be 40%. 40% should be the profit. Profit you calculate on what? Cost price. So 1.4 into 20n. अब यहां से I have taken 2 common, so 1 plus 2 plus 3. So summation of n natural numbers is how much? n plus 1 by 2. 40% यहाँ पे लिया है ना, overall profit should be at least 40%. तो इसीलिए 1.4 किया है. Got it? Okay, only English. It is written 40% at least. That's why this 1.4 is done. Clear, Vansh? Clear? Clear? Okay, चलो, fine. So this is done. अब ये clear हो गया? चलो, fine. So here minimum 27 guns is to required to be sell. More than that it's okay, but it is asking you the minimum value. Clear? चलो, next question. Come on guys, solve it. Log के भी questions रखे. We can't take a risk. Anything can be asked. Now 20 log base 7 y 800 minus y log base 720. It is asking you the value of log 49 y. Come on guys, who will answer first? Come on guys, share the session. तुम लोग बहुत कंजूस हो. 800 minus y. क्या हो गया? Lucky, Sogata, Alec, everybody, nobody is answering. Either I have kept a lot of tough questions or anything else, huh? 20 log 7y. I'll bring this y this side, plus y log 720 is equal to 800. Clear? यहाँ तक? Now I will use the property of log. I will use the property of log 7y. Okay. If I use the property of log, आप इसको और इसको interchange कर सकते हो. तो यहाँ से हो जाएगा 20 log 7y. Ma'am, how you did it? By using the property of log. Simple. यहाँ से ये हो गया 800. Okay. Now what I can do is 20 log 7y, 20 log 7y. What you can do is 2 into 20 7. This is equal to 800. Ab, come on guys. Anybody? Second ka B. Okay, Arvind. Very good, beta. Very good. Now 2 into 20. 2 say this will get cancelled out, so you will become here it will come out to be 400. 400. Now 400 what you can write? 400 what you can write? You can write it as 20 square. Take log on both the sides. अगर मैं log both the sides लूंगी तो log 7y log 20 is equal to 2 log 20. Can I write like this? Can I write like this? अब log 20 will get cancelled. कैंसिल होगा ना, अभी किसी का भी आंसर नहीं आ रहा क्या? So what you will get? Log 7y is equal to 2. But in the question it is asking 49. So what you can do is, you can multiply by 1 by 2 on both the sides. कर दो 1 by 2 से multiply. You can multiply, divide both the sides. That will be same. So यहाँ से it will come 1. इसको मैं ऐसे भी लिख सकती हूँ, property of log. Property of log I can write 7 square. This you can go here. So from here it will become log 49y is equal to 1. I'm going step by step. It is taking time. Otherwise you can do it quickly. Clear? Alec, clear? Everybody else clear? Just give me a thumbs up. Just give me a thumbs up. Come on guys. Give me a thumbs up. Quick, quick, quick. Okay, chalo. Next question. Now, अब थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगेगा. Not a very tricky question, but slight amount of your brain will be used. Okay. The cost of running a newspaper agency is 30 rupees per 1,000 papers. 1,000 papers, for that you need to pay run, for that running cost is 320 rupees. The cost of selling is rupees 2,000 for first 5,000 newspapers, and after this the cost of setting is 30 paisa per newspaper. Okay. The other you can say eliminatory costs are 60 paisa per newspaper. About 10,000 newspapers for a city are printed, but only 8260 newspapers are sold at the rate of 1.75 each. What is the amount earned from advertisement if a profit of 30% is made on the cross price? I'm always telling you, profit and loss is always on the cost price. Selling price में हम बात ही नहीं करते. We never talk on selling price. We always talk on cost price. Okay. Now check it out. Cost of running an agency rupees 320 per 1,000 newspapers. In the question it is asking you about 10,000 newspapers. Guys, if for 1,000 newspapers you require 320 rupees, for 10,000 newspapers कितने पैसे लगेंगे? How much guys? Profit बताना है. Profit दिया है क्वेश्चन में. You need to calculate advertisement, how much money you are earning. Come on guys. Cost price minus selling price will give you the amount which is earned. Come on, come on. जल्दी बताओ. देखो, cost of running newspaper agency for 10,000 newspaper. For 1,000 newspaper it is 320. How much it will be? Very good. So one paper 320 by 1,000. So for 10,000 how much it is? If I am going fast and if you are not able to understand unitary method, kindly let me know. I'll go slow also. Okay, let me know that. If, and don't worry what others think, you can let me know this. 3,200. Now cost of setting, how much it is requiring, is rupees 2,000 for first 5,000. So cost of setting first 5,000 newspaper is how much? Rupees 2,000. And then remaining 5,000, because 10,000 papers we are talking about now. Remaining 5,000, how much? 30 paisa. So when you convert it into rupees, it will be 30 by 100 into 5,000. How much it comes? How much it comes? 1,500? 1,500? Okay. Now what are the other cost? Other cost is 60 paisa per newspaper. So other cost, they haven't mentioned about other cost. 60 paisa, converting paisa into rupees, divide by 100. And how many newspapers? 10,000 newspapers. So this will come out to be how much? 00 rupees 6,000. So what is the total cost price beta? 3,200 plus 1,500 plus 6,000. This is the total cost which is incurred in selling 10,000 newspapers. Come on guys, so, add and tell me how much it is coming. 3,200. One more thing, 2,000 is also remaining. 2,000. Because first 5,000 you are paying rupees 2,000. How much it is coming? Solve it and tell me how much it is coming. Quick, quick, quick. 12700. This is the cost price which is being incurred. This is the cost price. नहीं, वो 2,000 भी add करना है ना. Now, in the question, it is telling that only 8260 newspapers are sold. So, selling price of 8260 newspapers is how much? 1.75 rupees for one newspaper. So, 8260 newspapers will be 8260 multiply. For one newspaper, 1.75 rupees. For 8260 newspaper, just multiply unitary method. You will get rupees 14,455. So, cost price is this much. Selling price is this much. So how much is the total profit? Profit कितना है? इसमें एक slide add करना पड़ेगा. Guys, these are tricky questions. These are not very easy questions. So kindly don't take it lightly. Huh? I'm just telling you. I've kept those questions which will be like your brain will be used. Come on. Now, check it out. Selling price is given to me. Cost price is given to me. If a profit of 30% on the cost price is made, so how much is the total profit? How much is the total profit? 30% on cost price. What is the cost price? 12700. If you want to go to that profit percentage formula, you can go. Otherwise, apply the basic common sense. 30%. 1 by 30 by 100. How much is the profit coming? नहीं, profit ये बताओ ना. 16510 rupees. This is the profit coming. Selling price is 14455. Okay. Profit you are getting 16510. Now how much amount is earned from advertisement? Advertisement में से total profit how much you are earning minus selling price. Total profit is 16510 rupees and selling price is 14,455. So when you will subtract, nobody gave the correct answer. 2055 will be the advertisement cost. See, there are 100 students, but nobody except Nayan Dev and Abhijit, they have given the correct answers. So this is the cost which will be incurred in the, basically you got this money from advertisement. You know in newspapers you have advertisements and you have to pay for that, right? Okay. Selling price minus cost price, for what you need to do? I'm asking how, it's not asking me the profit beta, it is asking me how much money you got from advertisement. It is asking me that. So that's why how much profit I got and minus how much I sold it. So the remaining will be the cost which is incurred from advertisement. It is not asking me the profit. Profit percentage is already given. So cost price, selling price नहीं करोगे. You, for calculating the amount of profit, आपने cost price किया. Clear? Nandi ji? So it is not asking me how much is the profit. It is asking me the how much cost money you got it from the advertisement. Chaliye. This is a question. Come on guys. A simple hai. Simple mathematics. Come on. W is F% more than D. D is F minus 10% less than J. If W is greater than J, what is the range of values F can take? Come on. W is F% more than D. D is F minus 10% less than J. जल्दी बताओ. Come on, come on. W is F% more than D. अगर कोई चीज F% ज्यादा है, मतलब जितना था T का plus F% more percent. Can I write like this? F% more than D. D is F minus 10% less than J. Means जो भी J की वैल्यू थी 1 minus F minus 10 by 100. If W is greater than J, what is the range of values F can take? Come on guys. What you have given? Fourth answer. No, wrong Arvind. अब देखो ध्यान से सुनना, जो क्वेश्चन में बोला फर्स्ट यू शुड नो हाउ टू राइट इट. W is F% more मतलब देन D. तो जितना D है उतना तो है. हाउ मच D is there, that is there, plus F% more. So I have written it like this. D is F minus 10% less than J. So how much J is there, that is there, minus because it is less. Now in the question it is given W is greater than J. W is greater than J. W value already I know. It is how much? 1 plus F upon 100. J value I can calculate from here. How much it will come? D divided by 1 minus F minus 10 by 100. This is the value. Now come on guys, solve it. You will get the answer. Ab sirf unitary method. D will get cancelled out. What you will get? It take the LCM. 100 plus F by 100. D 100 minus F plus 10. और यहाँ पर 100 ऊपर चला जाएगा. यहाँ का dd cancel out कर देती हूँ. dd will get cancel out. So from here what you will get? 100 plus F. और यहाँ से 110 minus F is greater than 100 into 100. यही मिल रहा है. This is what you guys are getting. अब solve कर लो guys. You have to just simply solve it. Unitary method लगा लो. यहाँ पे unitary method क्या है? यहाँ पे तो simple simplification ही करना है. 11 open the brackets 000 minus 100f plus 110f minus f square is greater than 10 raised to power 4. Come on guys, solve it. f square इधर ले जाती हूँ उसको. f square minus 10f f square minus 10f और ये 10 raised to power 4 और 11,000. 1 2 3. चलो अब सॉल्व कर दो. अब ये जब इधर शिफ्ट होगा ग्रेटर देन साइन बिकम्स लेस देन. ये तो आपको पता ही होगा. अब सॉल्व कर लो. स्प्लिटिंग मेथड यू कैन यूज एनीथिंग यू कैन यूज, विल गेट द आंसर. 1000 कहाँ से मिल सकता है? 10 into 100 नहीं बनेगा. 25. 10,000 की स्प्लिटिंग कैसे करूं मैं? अरे इसको मैं स्प्लिटिंग क्यों कर रही हूँ? आपका किसी बी तो आंसर नहीं है अरविंद. इसको मैं एक काम करती हूँ, ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर वाले फॉर्मेट में कन्वर्ट कर देती हूँ. ये देखो एफ स्क्वायर माइनस 10f. ठीक है. अब इस क्वेश्चन में अगर पहले मैं इसको इधर करती हूँ 1000. ओके. एफ स्क्वायर माइनस 10f. अब हियर व्हाट आई कैन डू इज मैं प्लस माइनस सेम चीज कर सकती हूँ. राइट. सो 1000 प्लस 25. तो यहाँ पे ये ए स्क्वायर माइनस, अब देखो मैं इसको सजा के दिखाती हूँ. ए स्क्वायर ये बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab बन रहा है. दिस इज 1025. तो ये 5f माइनस 5 का होल स्क्वायर बन रहा है 1025. ठीक है. 1025 का अगर आप स्क्वायर रूट निकालोगे हाउ मच इट विल कम? 32. तो f शुड बी लेस देन 37%. तो क्या आंसर आएगा? 10 to 37% will be your answer. 10 to 37% will be your answer. Got it? Got it guys? ये क्वेश्चन इतना आसान नहीं था and it can be asked for 2 marks. This question is not easy. Guys, if I'm saying in Hindi, don't worry, I'll repeat the same thing in English. So if you think that ma'am is telling something in Hindi and we are missing it, actually I'm being bilingual. I'll just telling that same thing in English and then in Hindi. So don't worry about it. Clear? So this is the question, simple simplification. Chaliye. Now, this is the question from time and work. I find it simple, but apart from other questions, this is slightly different. Okay, now check it out. अब यहाँ पे very important. Everybody kindly read the question carefully because one mistake you can do it. Now check it out. What is that mistake? The ratio of number of days taken by Barney is to Chandler, जो भी नाम है उसका, Barney to Chandler is 2:3. Barney I am denoting by B, Chandler I am denoting by C. बार बार कौन उनका नाम लिखेगा? Why to write the names? The ratio of efficiency of Abraham is to Chandler is 5:3. अब देखो, two different things are there. In the first statement, it is telling you number of days, how much time they are taking. In the second statement, it is talking about two other people, means one people is other Abraham, and here they are talking about efficiency ratio. In first, it was talking about the time taken, and in the other, it is talking about efficiency. You cannot compare, right? Always remember, lesser the time, more is the efficiency. Efficiency and time are inversely proportional to each other. If I'm able to do a work in lesser amount of time, that means I am more efficient. So if efficiency of Abraham and Chandler is 5:3, so the work done will be opposite. That is 3:5. So don't tell that ma'am you have written wrong. No, I haven't written wrong. They have given the efficiency. I have just reversed it so that I can convert it into the number of days. Got it? Now, next. A square minus B square. कहाँ से लगाओगे A square minus B square? ए स्क्वायर 10f किसका रूट बनेगा? 2 रूट करके बनाओगे, कर लो, डू दैट. ओके फाइन, this is there. Abraham takes 4 days less than Chandler. When Abraham and Chandler complete the work individually, chalo, Abraham, Barney and Chandler started the work and Barney and Chandler left after 2 days. The number of days taken by Abraham to complete the remaining work. First of all, Abraham will take 4 days less. 4 दिन कम लेता है. 4 दिन कम लेता है. How will you do it? Come on guys. 4 दिन कम लेता, हाउ विल यू डू इट? 4 days लेस, कम ले रहा है ये. अब देखो, लेट मी फर्स्ट मेक द बेस सेम. यहाँ पे 3 है, यहाँ पे 5 है. सो व्हाट आई कैन डू इज आई कैन मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय 5 so that it will become 15, and I'll multiply this by 3, 9 by 15. So if I go A is to B is to C, that means Abraham is to Barney is to Chandler, it will become 9 is to 10 is to 15. Okay, so I can say that Abraham takes 9x days, Barney takes 10x days and Chandler takes 15x days. ठीक है? 3/5 नहीं आएगा. आएगा ना? I told you ना, just now only I told you Prithvi, just I told you, आप recorded check कर लो अभी just back जाके. I told you this is given me the ratio of efficiency. I have converted it opposite so that if more the efficiency, lesser the time. I'm comparing the time. I'm not comparing the efficiency because in the question it is asking me number of days. It is not asking me the efficiency, right? That's why I did it. अब क्या बोला है? Abraham takes 4 days less. That means the number of days taken by Abraham is 9x. How much less? Less than Chandler. How much? 4 days. Chandler 15x minus 4. So from here you will get the value of x. How much you will get the value? 9x minus 15x is equal to 4. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 6x is equal to 4. X is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. So now if you do 9x, 10x, 15x, how much you will get? 9 2 by 3, 10 2 by 3, 15 2 by 3. मेरे हेड पे तो नहीं स्टक हो रहा है. Okay. See. डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन ही रखे आलेख, अदरवाइज इजी क्वेश्चंस तो बन ही जाते. चलिए, आई टेल यू, आई केप्ट डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन. सी, the number of days taken by Barney to Chandler is 2:3. Means if Chandler takes 3 days, let us suppose Barney takes 2 days. Okay. Now they have given two different persons, Abraham and Chandler, and their efficiency is given to you. That means how efficient they are. Remember, efficiency and time are inversely proportional to each other. They are inversely proportional to each other. Okay, if I'm efficient, that means I'll require less time. If I'm telling out of Rohan and Alek, Rohan is efficient, that means in lesser time he'll be able to complete the work. Theek? So if in the question they have given you efficiency, so what will be there? If I need time, I'll just inverse it. Instead of 5:3, I will write 3:5. Now for comparison purpose, I need to make the base same. Here Chandler bottom is coming 3. Here Chandler it is coming 5. I need to make it common. So here I multiplied by 5 both in numerator and denominator. And here I multiplied by 3 both in denominator and numerator. So that I will get 15 in both the cases. Okay? So A is to B is to C. That is 9 is to 10 is to 15. This is the ratio of the time taken to complete the work. So I can write it 9x time is taken by Abraham, 10x time is taken by Barney, and 15x time is taken by Chandler. Okay. Now in the question it has told me that Chandler complete the work. Basically, first let me talk. Abraham takes 4 days less than Chandler. How much time is taken by Abraham? 9x. And he takes 4 days less as compared to whom? Chandler. Chandler takes 15x. So you will subtract minus 4. Clear? So from here you will get x is equal to 2 by 3. Now you will substitute it here so that you can know how much time is taken individually by Abraham, Barney and Chandler. Clear, Alek? Now is it clear? Lashya, is it clear? So he takes 6 days, he takes 20 by 3 days and this 10 days. Clear till here? Everybody, just I want a green flag first. So Abraham takes 6 days to complete the work individually, and Barney takes 2 by 3 days to complete the work individually, and Chandler takes 10 days to complete the work individually. Clear? Okay, but it is not asking me how much they are taking individually. They said that first what happened, all the three started to work together, and after 2 days Barney and Chandler left. Okay, so how much is the number of days taken by Abraham to complete the remaining work? So what will be the answer? That is what it is asking in the question. Now first all three were doing how much work? They all were doing the work for 2 days. So 1 day work will be 1 by 6. This will be 3 by 20 plus 1 by 10. They did it for how many days? 2 days. Can you calculate and tell me how much is the LCM coming, guys? Can you calculate and tell me the LCM which is coming? 60 आएगा शायद, एक बार चेक कर लेना. 6 10 23 9 6 2. Solve it. How much you are getting? कितना आ रहा है? 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 is completed work. Now both Barney and Chandler went. So how much is remaining? Total work is 1. 5 by 6 is completed. So how much is remaining? 1 by 6th work is remaining. So you know how much days will Abraham take to complete it? Just 1 day. He'll complete the work. So 1 day will be the answer. As simple as that. Clear? Because in 6 days he can complete the whole work. So in 1 day how much work he can complete? 1 by 6. एक दिन में complete हो जाएगा. Clear? Simple. Chalo, I'll go slow. Now this is one more log question, and this is again a good question. Come on, guys. You're enjoying it. See, if you are thinking that the level is tough, do give me the feedback so that I can keep easy questions and you be happy that, oh my god, we are able to solve aptitude question. Is it Alec and everybody? Rohan, shall I keep only easy questions? Or shall I keep this questions only for upcoming aptitude sessions? Tell me the level. So that give me that feedback also. You want me to keep such type of questions only, right? It's okay. Tough and tricky. Yeah, that's what I planned it and I'm keeping that only. Come on. Solve this question, guys. Ab mera wait mat karo, you also solve it. Use log property and solve. You know the property of log, right? एक property होती है. One property of log. Today I told you one property, not this property. You can write log 327 and log 3 9. This is the property of log. So by keeping the same base, you can separate the index one separately and the bottom one separately. Just check it out. This is the property of log. I haven't done it. This is the property of log. Okay. Log. And up to nth term. Up to nth term. So how can I write the nth term? Can anybody tell me how can I write the nth term? Only logic is to calculate the nth term. Difficult is good to show a talent, man. Yeah, that's why I kept it. When I was yesterday night, it took me around 2:30 to select the questions, and I realized that tomorrow I don't know what the students will be giving me the feedback. Till 2:30, I was busy searching the questions and then writing and just checking it out according to your syllabus. But I found that these questions will definitely boost your confidence. Come on, nth term. If you look at the logic, this is just check it out. This is 3 square. This is 3 cube. This is 3 to the power 4. So can I write it like this? Just I'm reading and just telling you. 3 to the power n, 3 into 3 to the power n. That's it. Because check it out. If you calculate 3 to the power 4, you can write it as 3 into 3 cube. 3 to the power cube, you can write it as 3 into 3 square. So that logic I have done 3 into 3 to the power n. And here I have kept log base 3. This nth term based on, see, log 9, 3. What you can write it? You can write it as 3 into 3, correct? Then log 27 cube. Well, how can you write it as 3 into 3 square? Okay, similarly log 81 you can write it as 3 into 3 cube. So exactly I have done that. Nothing else I have done it. Correct? Now solve it, guys. Quick, quick, quick. Ab kuch nahi. You know what? This is the easiest question. Just one trick, now you'll be able to solve it. You know what? Every value, I'll use a different color pen. Every value, just check it out. So whatever is here will get, so log 381, here some will be here. Every value will get cancelled out. At the end, you will get only log 3 to the power n, 3 to the power n is equal to 21. So everything will get cancelled out. It is so easy, guys. It is so easy. Clear? Now I can use the property of log. यहाँ पर भी I can use the property log. I'll take white color. 3 to the power n log 3 to the power n. Again the property of log I have used it. अब कैसे solve करूं? How will I solve it? यहाँ से भी ये log 3n will get cancel out. यहाँ पर भी log 3n आएगा. This log 3n will get cancel out. सिर्फ मेरे पास ये बचेगा. Only I'll be left with this. Here whatever log 3 is there, here some value will be there, they will get cancelled out. Only I'll be left with log 3 to the power n is equal to 21. Now base same, what you can do is you will add the power 21. Now अब तो solve हो जाएगा. I'm just waiting for the answers. I'm the one who is solving it, right? Now this can come adjacent. अभी एक question में किया था n plus 1 log 3 base 3. You know this. Log a base a is equal to 1. So log 3 base 3 is equal to 1. So n plus 1 is equal to 21. So n will become 20. Clear? Alex, Ogata, Gaurav, Nayan, everybody clear? Clear, guys? Chaliya. This is an easy question. Easier, but only one trick. Last, I know damn sure you'll make mistake. Only very easy question, but I know last you will make mistake. This easy lag raha hai. It appears to be easy, but it is a trick question. Come on, guys. Solve it. Two trains move from station Lonavala and station Panji towards each other. So one station moving from Lonavala and one train is there which is moving from Panji. Okay, so moving from Lonavala at the speed of 50 km per hour and one is moving from Panji at 60 km per hour. Okay, when they were coming from opposite sides, and then when they were meeting, the driver who was driving the train from Panji 1, he realized that he has covered 120 kilometers more. So it is asking you in the question, what is the distance between Lonavala and Panji? How will you calculate it? Now let me assume that the distance traveled by the train which is going from Lonavala is d kilometers. Okay. Now when they were meeting, the train which was coming from Panji, he realized that he has traveled d plus 120 kilometers more. Now when they are meeting, we are assuming that the time is same. Now time is equal to what? Distance by speed. Okay. So distance is d. Speed is 50 kilometers per hour is equal to distance plus 120. Speed is 60. Got it? So now we'll get cancelled and then you will get here 6d is equal to 5d plus 120 is 12 5 is 5 2 is 10 1 is 5 60 600. So from d here d will come out to be how much? 600. It is coming out to be 600 kilometers. Now, can anybody tell me what will be the answer? I'm just waiting for the answer. Come on, guys. B. Sai, you're telling for which one? This one? Seventh question you're telling me? Very good. Very good, Sai, Abhijit, Gaurav. Very, very good. See, at the time of meeting, अब ध्यान से सुनना, everybody listen to me. At the time of meeting, the train which was coming from Lonavala covered d kilometers. At the time of coming, the train which was meeting, the train which was coming from Panji covered d plus 120 kilometers. That was the distance at the time of meeting. That was not the distance from Lonavala to Panji. So the total distance will be d plus 120. So that will be 600 plus 600 plus 120. Got it? So how much it will come out? 1320 kilometers. This was the only thing which I wanted you to know. Clear? Chal. If anybody has a doubt, feel free to ask, guys. Superb question, guys. Superb question. This question, yesterday I also have to do it. This is a superb question. I literally love this question. And this year also, if you check out the gate paper, they have asked questions from like two statements, x-axis, y-axis. They have asked questions from like that only. So I love this question. Come on, guys. I want you to solve this question particularly. Come on. Quick, quick, quick. टाइम मीटिंग टाइम पूछा होता तो डिस्टेंस बाय स्पीड कर देते, खत्म. इधर डी बाय इधर कहाँ गया, इधर डी बाय 50 और डी प्लस 120 बाय 60, दोनों में से कुछ भी, एनीथिंग यू कैन डू इट. यस गाइज, यू कैन ज्वाइन माय टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. नीड क्वेश्चंस ऑन मीटिंग टाइम. ओके फाइन, उसको भी ले लेंगे. अभी गाइज ऑन 26th of January रिपब्लिक डे स्पेशल on app 11 a.m. I'll be taking a 2 hours marathon exclusively poll questions. Here I cannot create poll questions for every questions. So guys, mathematics will be in the evening and aptitude will be in the morning. So whatever are your feedbacks, just kindly tell me that ma'am keep this questions, like you told that ma'am questions related to meeting time, definitely check, I'll keep that questions. If any other pattern of questions you want, kindly comment it and before only, so that I can keep it. Don't tell me on 25th. Okay, so just tell me that. Fine. Now this question, quick guys, this is a very very good question. Very good question. I personally like this question. Now see, come on, solve this question. This is a very important question. Maza aa jayega question solve. A is an integer. This is the closed bracket, that means -5 and 30 are included. The probability that the graph y is equal to x square plus 2a plus 4x plus -5a plus 64 is strictly above the x-axis. What is the probability? चलो, अब मैं इस क्वेश्चन को पहले सॉल्व नहीं करना चाहती. I want you guys to solve it. If you are able to do it, it's good. If you are not, then also कुछ नया सीख के जाओगे. You learn something new and go. Come on guys. आ गया क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में. What you will do? And this is an MCQ question. 2 marks, negative marking will be there 2/3. So no tukka. क्या बोला है? That this graph should be strictly above x-axis, मतलब greater than 0. I'll tell you one condition. In your school time, you have studied this patent ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If you want it, it should be greater than 0. दो conditions होती है. If you remember, if you want condition for ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 की दो condition होगी. शायद आपको याद होगी. Come on guys. Anybody remember? Anybody? Quick. ax square plus bx plus c greater than 0 कब हो सकता है? When it will be greater than 0. थोड़ा सा याद करो, स्कूल का कंसेप्ट है. Come on. When a is greater than 0 and b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So if you want ax square plus bx plus c should be greater than 0, a should be greater than 0 and b square minus 4ac should be less than 0. Bas khatam. Now this question is approximately solved. Now here what is a? 1. What is b? 2a plus 4. What is c? Minus 5a plus 64. Solve karo. You will get the value of a. Okay? Solve it. Real distinct roots नहीं पूछ रहा यार. 2a plus 4, ये 2 square, a plus 4 square, minus 4a, 5a plus 64. 4 you can take it common. Here also 2 square 4, here also 4. Take it common, make it 0. Here you will get a plus 4 square minus will become plus 5a and this will become minus 64. is less than 0. A square plus 16 plus 8a 64 is less than 0. From here, how much you are getting? A square 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 माइनस ये 64 और 16 करो तो क्या? नहीं नहीं नहीं, लेस देन 0, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट है, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट लेस देन 0, लेस देन 0 बेटा. This will be 13a and this will be minus 64 plus 16. This will be minus 48. Now do the splitting method. 8 6 48 उससे नहीं जाएगा. 2 into 24 नहीं जाएगा. Splitting करो, किससे जाएगा ये? 16 2 32, 16 3 से जाएगा. Plus 16a minus 3a. Minus 48 is greater than less than 0. So a plus 16 minus 3 a plus 16 is less than 0. So here you will get two values. एक मिलेगा minus 16 and you will get 3. अब ध्यान से सुनना. Here they have given the interval from minus 5 to 30. दिया है? ठीक है. इसमें एक चीज मिसिंग कर दी है क्या? हाँ चलो ठीक है. Minus 5 to 30. तो minus 16 does it come in that bracket? No. Minus 16 तो नहीं आता. तो और किसी और का कुछ आंसर है क्या? नो सौगाता, 16 कैसे आएगा बेटू? a plus 16 is equal to 0. So a will become minus 16. a plus 3 is equal to 0. So a minus 3 is equal to 0. So a will become 3. 3 and minus 16 you guys are getting na? Yes or no? 3 and minus 16 you are getting na? 3 and minus 16, yes or no? सबका यही आ रहा है ना? चलो, तो a की जो भी वैल्यू होगी वो -16 और -3 होनी चाहिए. ठीक. In the question they have told that a value should lie from -5 to 30. So यहाँ -16 तो lie करेगा नहीं. So I will take it as कि ये -5 है a की वैल्यू और मुझे इंक्लूड करना है, इंक्लूडेड ब्रैकेट चाहिए. So instead of 3 I will write it 2 so that 3 is excluded, 2 is included and a is an integer. So you can tell ma'am 2.5 हो सकता था, 2.8 हो सकता था. No, because a is an integer. So -16 does not fall in this range. So मैंने instead of -16 I have kept it -5. 3 is excluded. So less than equal to I have kept 2. Now can you tell me how many values of a are possible from -5 to 2? दिमाग वाला क्वेश्चन है guys. How many values are possible? -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. How many values? Count. कितनी values है? How many values of a? I'm shouting on top of my voice. कितनी हुई? -5. -5 is included. -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. 8 values are possible. 8, 8, 8. 8. Because 5 and 2 are also included. 8 values are the favorable one. Favorable. And from -5 to 30, how many values are there? 5 and 30 both are included. Total events, -5 to 30, how many values are there, guys? 36. 36. So favorable event is 8. Total is 36. So how much it will become? 4 2s are 8. 4 9s are 36. 2 by 9. How's the question, guys? Dimag laga? Even you got the value of a, then also you have to apply your brain. How was the question? Give the feedback for the question, guys. Because I am comparing on the closed interval. A should be less than 3, na? Who was telling me? Ancient Heaven's Lord. 3 is excluded. So which is included? I am talking on the included range. Anyway, if 3 is excluded, that means 2 is included. So that's why less than 3, na? That means 2 is okay. So that's why I removed 3. I took 2. 36 minus 5 to 30. Total number of events. When you compare minus 5, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 30. So how many values are there from minus 5 to 30? 36 values are there. That's why 36. Got it, Sarat? Got it? I have taken a lot of sessions in the app beta. Okay. Now this question. Maybe just one trick. Just one trick where you can make mistake. That's it. Easy question. Come on. Answer. This is the condition. This is the condition beta. If you want, this is the condition. Like if you'll ask me how Shridacharya formula came, to वो तो उन्होंने derive कर दिया ना. This is the condition. If you want ax square plus bx plus c should be greater than 0. ये condition you need to remember beta. Okay. So a should be greater than 0 and the discriminant b square minus 4ac should be less than 0. Okay. Fine. चलिए. Acha, Satyajit Ray, your favorite director. Okay. Such trick questions we solved in exams and left to answer because answers were mismatched. That's why I kept this. Clear, Anjan? Okay. Now this question, guys. Satyajit Ray cycles at 10 km per hour and he'll reach to a point at 1 p.m. If he cycles at 15 km per hour, he will reach the same place but 2 hours before 11 a.m. Now, at what speed must Satyajit's race cycle to get there at noon? Can you tell me at what time it is talking about? Because they haven't mentioned the time. At what speed must Satyajit race cycle to get there at noon? That means at what time? At what time? किस टाइम की बात कर रहा है? नून मीन्स क्या होता है भाई? नून मीन्स व्हाट? करेक्ट, 12 बजे की बात कर रहा हूँ. 12 PM. अब सॉल्व कर लो इसको. This I'm writing it for you guys, so it's taking time. If I have to do it, I'll do it quickly within 2 minutes. It's not a 2 minutes question also. This is the only thing you need to remember for this question, beta. Come on. 12 p.m. Just a minute. My phone got stuck. I'm not able to read the comments. Just a minute. 15. कैसे किया? अब now I'll do it wrong. You will tell me how to do it correctly. Okay. Now, if he is traveling at a speed of 10 km per hour at reaches at 1 p.m. Let us suppose, अब दो चीजें करनी है मुझे. Distance is same. Distance is the same. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Whether he goes by cycle at 10 km per hour, whether it goes by 15 km per hour, distance will be same. So when he is going at a speed of 10 km per hour, he reaches the place and the time is t. And if he cycles 15 kilometers per hour, he reaches 2 hours earlier. So t minus 2. So from here, how much is t coming? T will come out to be 6 hours. Correct? So how much is the distance? How much is the distance? Either you do 10 kilometer per hour into 6 hours or you do 15 into 4. Both will give you the same thing. That is 16 kilometers is the distance. At what speed must Satyajit cycle to get there at noon? Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is 6 kilometer. Time you took 6 hours when it was going at 1 p.m. Now you're talking about 12 noon. That means he'll take 1 hour less. So 60 by 5, that is 12 kilometer. Correct. Correct. किसका शॉर्टकट बताऊं? चलो अभी पहले से पहले थोड़ा अच्छा और क्वेश्चन कराती हूँ. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है गाइस. यू लव दिस क्वेश्चन. वो शॉर्टकट ही था, उससे शॉर्टकट नहीं था उस क्वेश्चन का. दैट वाज अ शॉर्टकट ओनली. फर्स्ट सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. दिस इज अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन गाइस. यू लव दिस क्वेश्चन. कम ऑन, सॉल्व इट. मजा आ जाएगा. This question again a very good question. Means progression will be used, everything will, मतलब you love the, like that probability question you loved it. फिर हम लोग ने गन वाला question किया था. This question also you love it, I'm damn sure. Come on. और हाँ, इस वाले को तो by options also you can solve it, you can go through the options, but आखिरी वाला ना तो simply you can solve it, it will be much easier. Come on, this question guys, मजा आ जाएगा. Oh, Yukta is also there. Chalo, first I'll explain you the question. You love this question. Huh? This is again a very good question. Two players, Virat Kohli and Kane Williamson, toss a coin alternatively. Means first Virat Kohli, then Kane, then Virat Kohli, then Kane, like this. Because Virat Kohli will be beginning the game. Because you will say, no, ma'am, how can you say that Virat will toss first? Because it's written that Virat will be beginning the game. That means he'll be tossing it first. Listen to it very carefully, guys. Otherwise, you will face the doubt. Huh? The players who first throw a head are deemed to be the winner. So if Virat Kohli tosses a coins and he get the head, he will be the winner. Okay, and same goes for Kate Williamson. Kane Williamson's coin is fair, so they both have different coins. Virat Kohli has one coin and Kane Williamson has one coin. Okay, the Kane Williamson's coin is fair. That means the probability of head and tail is what? Head and tail is 50-50%. Okay, but Virat Kohli's coin is biased and his probability of showing head is P. So can you tell me what should be the value of P such that game is equiprobable? That means equally same probability should be there for both the players. Acha question aa gaya. Now listen to me. First we'll go very slow for this question. Now Virat Kohli's coin is biased. So the probability of him winning is when he will get the head. Okay. P is the probability of winning. Probability of getting head. Correct? Probability of not getting head for any event to happen plus not happen is equal to 1. So not getting head one minus P. Okay. This is for Virat Kohli. I'm writing VK. Now for Kane Williamson, KW, his coin is fair. So probability of getting head is also 1 by 2 and probability of not getting head also is 1 by 2. Till here any doubts? Be quick. Till here any doubts? Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Those who have said A, wrong answer. Now tell me, I have explained you till here. Any doubts? Guys, I'm going very slow. No doubt, right? Okay. Now, what is the chance? Now it is asking find the value of P so that the game is equiprobable. Okay. Now, listen to me. It is possible that first case Virat Kohli tosses the coin and he wins because he'll get the head. That is P. P is the probability of winning it. He'll get it. Okay. He'll win the game. Then if he is not winning in the first time, that means he'll get the third chance. He'll get the third chance. So first the coin was tossed, Virat Kohli lost. Then Kate Williamson got the chance, he also lost. So losing, not getting head is 1 by 2. Third time Virat Kohli got and he got the head. P. Got it? See, if Virat Kohli tosses a coin and he gets a head, game is over. He wins the game. Okay. But if he is not getting, he's not getting head, he is getting tail. So he has to wait for the third chance. That means first he didn't want it. Then second, Kane Williamson also didn't got the head. And third time Virat Kohli got the head. P. Okay. If let us suppose this condition doesn't work out. So if then also he didn't got the head, then he'll get the fifth turn. Virat Kohli, Kane Williamson, Virat Kohli, Kane Williamson, Virat Kohli, fifth turn. Okay, that means first time he lost. Then second time who got the chance? Kane Williamson. He also lost. Then third time who got? Virat Kohli. He also lost. Fourth time who got? Kane Williamson. He also lost. Fifth time who got? Virat Kohli and he won. So in this way you will proceed. So this can go up to infinity. So this is an infinite GP with first term is P and common ratio as 1 minus P by 2. So the first term is P and common ratio is 1 minus P by 2. Understood the logic? Guys, everybody understood the logic? Yes or no? पहले मुझे बता दो. So summation of infinite GP. P 1 minus P by 2. So how much it will come from here? ये ऊपर चला जाएगा. 2 minus 2P. 2P P plus 1. P plus 1. Is it clear? What I explained you, is it clear? Infinite GP ban raha. Understood this? Alek, Yukta, everybody else. Once more you want me to explain? You are asking me to explain once more, yes or no? So this is the probability of Virat winning. So what is the probability of Virat losing? 1 minus 2p p plus 1. This is the probability of Virat losing. So probability of Virat winning and probability of Virat losing should be equal, because if Virat is losing, Kane Williamson will be the one who will be winning. So probability of losing and probability of winning should be equal. So when you solve this, you will get the value of P as 1 by 3. So this is the value 1 by 3. Kya kiya? See, if in the first shot Virat Kohli gets the head, he'll win it. But it's not necessary, right? If he doesn't win in the first go, he has to wait for the third turn. Okay. So first turn, if he loses, probability of losing means getting a tail is 1 minus P. Then probability of Kane Williamson also losing is 1 by 2. And then probability of Virat Kohli winning is P. Okay. Now it might be possible that he lost in the third go. Then we have to wait for the fifth time. Okay. Virat losing, Kane Williamson losing, Virat losing, Kane Williamson losing, and then Virat winning. Okay, so this can go up to infinity. So this is an infinite GP. First term is P. Common ratio is 1 minus P by 2. And from here you will get, now see, from here you will get the chance of Virat winning. So what is the probability of Virat losing? Because if Virat will lose, who will win? Kane Williamson will win. So this is the Kane Williamson winning or Virat Kohli losing. Anything you can say. So both should be equal, because equally probable for anyone to win or lose, it should be equal probability. So you equated it, you got 1 by 3. Because हम एक की बात कर रहे हैं ना, we haven't taken second, because I'm talking about Virat's winning turn. So Virat will win first turn. If Virat will get, then he will get the third turn, no? Because Yukta's second turn will be taken by Kane Williamson, and I'm right now talking about the probability of Virat's winning. So I will take first, third, fifth, because he will get first turn, then Kane Williamson, then he will get the third, then Kane Williamson will get the fourth, and then Virat will get it. Clear? Understood? That's why. Here I was talking only about Virat Kohli. So that's why I haven't taken about him. Understood? चलो चलो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करो फर्स्ट. ये इजी है. दिस क्वेश्चन इज इजी. I'll bring water for me. Just solve it by the time. Solve it quickly. Good morning. You got it, Yukta? You haven't replied to me. M is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. So what will be 1 by M? 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2. Now, what you can do it? You can multiply by 3 minus 2 root 2 both in the numerator and denominator. So here a plus b, a minus b. So a square, that is 3 square is 9, and 2 root 2 square, this will be 8. So from here you will get 1 by m as 3 minus 2 root 2, because 9 plus minus 8 will give you 1. Okay. Now solve it, guys. मैं ही सब क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रही हूँ, मुझे तो लग रहा है. चलो, m plus 1 by m, 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 3 minus 2 root 2. So from here you will get 6. So you got the value of m plus 1 by m. C मिल गया. Wrong. Wrong answer, Lasya. M plus 1 by m 6. I got one thing. Now if I want to calculate the square, I'll do squaring on both the sides. M plus 1 by m square. 6 square. So from here, m square plus 1 by m square plus 2ab. So here 36. So m square plus 1 by m square is equal to 34. Are you guys getting this? Chalo. So I got m square plus 1 by m square. This I got. Now what else? अब मैं क्या करूं? I need root m minus 1 upon root m. How can you get it? Very good, Sai. Very good. Very good, beta. You got it correct. Now how can I solve it? मुझे अभी root m minus 1 upon root m चाहिए. How will I solve it? Come on. Quick, quick, quick. अब मैं इसको क्या कर सकती हूँ? You know, अभी calculate किया m plus 1 by m is equal to 6. You calculated it. ठीक है? What you can do is, you can do what? You can basically minus 2 on this side, minus 2 on this side. Clear? So from here what you can write? ये ऐसा बन रहा है. A square plus b square minus 2 ab. So from here you are getting root m minus 1 upon root m whole square. So from here what you will get? Root m minus 1 upon root m is equal to 2. So what you got? You got this value as 2. M is m plus 1 by m. M plus 1 by m. ये कितना निकला? M plus 1 by m is 6. And m square plus 1 upon m square is 34. So 1 is to 3 is to 17. Correct? This was simple. Fine. चलिए. अब you want more questions? Are you tired or you want more questions? More questions? चलो अभी इसको कर लो. ये बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है. इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस है and I have time constraint because you have a highway class now. हाँ, that's why. अच्छा ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन कर लो. Then the remaining quant aptitude we will cover. Don't worry guys, the questions which are there today which I haven't covered, on 26th of January, Republic Day special, I'll make you solve 45 top questions, okay, in the app, and that too you will be getting the poll session for that. Okay, so now you can check it out that how many people are answering correct and how many are not. So don't worry. So last question. ये क्वेश्चन लास्ट कर लो पृथ्वी. Just solve this question and then I'll leave it. Find this question. The average age of DC fan is increased by 5 years when a DC fan of whose 33 years was replaced by a Marvel fan whose age is 58. Find the number of DC fans. Chalo, just last question. I am also a CSK fan, but यहाँ पे CSK is not given. How can you do? फ्री सब फ्री है. कोई पैसा नहीं देना आपको. देखो इसके मैं आपको दो तरीके बताती हूँ. दो तरीके. मार्वल की एज, न्यू मार्वल एज इज इक्वल टू जो रिप्लेस्ड फैन की एज थी. ठीक है, आपको जो दिया था मैम ने, व्हाट इज द प्राइस ऑफ द कोर्स. फॉर दैट गाइज यू हैव द ऑप्शन ऑफ टॉक टू द काउंसलर. You can just go to the BYJU'S exam prep site. You will get it. I don't know idea about the fees. We faculties only have to teach. We have never known about how much is the cost and all. So literally if you'll ask me, I don't know the price of the courses. Replaced fan plus increase. Now this is the, you can say, formula. So if you want to go through the formula, then you can go by this number of terms. I'll tell you two methods. Marvel age is how much? 58. Replaced fan's age was 33. And the average is increased by how much? 5 years. So initially it was n, now it is 5. Solve it, you will get the value of n. How much it is coming? Increase. Here DC is not Delhi. वहां मुझे पता है. मुझे तो लगा डेक्कन चार्जेस भी सोच रहे होगे. N is equal to 5. Number of DC fans is 5. Now दूसरा what you can do is, you can check it out. Let the, जल्दी बताना यार. Let the number of DC fan is N. ठीक. Average is A. Average is A. Now common sense. Increase कितना हुआ average? 5 से. So A plus 5 into total sum of observation into number of observations. तो अगर मुझे sum पूछेंगे, so it will be the average is increased by 5 and the total number of DC fan is a plus 5 into n. Now the total number of DC fan was n into a. Now one person came whose age was 58 and one person was replaced whose age was 33 years. And this increased the average by 5. That's it. You can solve it by simple like this. So you can solve it in this manner. You can solve it in the previous year manner. NA will get cancelled out. So from here you will get the value of n as 5. So either you can solve it by formula or you can go by the simple logic. Clear? Fine. Guys, some more questions I've kept. This question is like pyar ho jayega is question. So you love this question. This will blow your mind. So more questions are there which I have kept, but no worries. We'll do it later. Sorry for the clash today. I'm extremely sorry. Actually, some plannings were there. So don't worry. We'll do the questions. And guys, I'll provide you with the PDF. Aaj to nahi karungi for sure. But I'll provide you with the PDF. So when this one you can, I'm sharing my Telegram group with you guys can join it, and I'll meet you tomorrow. Dheeraj sir will be taking calculus, I guess. After that I'll meet you with analytical aptitude, so be present again at 10 a.m. and don't forget for Republic Day special at 11 a.m. Okay, you love the session. Give some questions for homework. Ye le lo. These two questions homework. This is a homework question. Screenshot. Take the screenshot quickly. This is one homework question. This is easy. This was the mixtures and allegations. This is one homework question, and this one is good. Slight brain will be used for this question. Okay. So this question. Kindly send me the solution in the this one Telegram group. Paste the question and your solution. I'll reply to it. Okay. So these two questions are homework. Happy, Nandiji? Okay. This question, if you want to try, you can try. But this question, I guess you won't be able to do it because this is a tricky question. If you are able to do it, it's well and good. Otherwise, I'll take this question. Okay. So that's all for today, guys. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much for your love and be present for all the sessions. Thank you, everyone.